Welcome back to my channel. So $2,600 in profits, $2,700 in profits, $3,700 in profits, all on automated basis. Here we go, and we are back to 3.9 for over $4,000 in profits. Here we go, in front of your eyes. This is all thanks to the new set files that allows our trading bot, Precision Edge Futures, to trade gold. Yes, so finally guys, yes, you asked us and we developed it. So from now, if you are using Precision Edge Futures, if you get lucky to get your copy, you know that you can now use this auto trader, yes, to trade gold. And that's also one of the reasons why more and more people are passing funded account challenges again and again, which is fantastic. So guys, to see all of that, first of all, click on the first link below the video, join our free Telegram group. In my free Telegram group, I show the current updates, all the updates, you know, I'm trying to show you the updates on a daily basis. Also, I'm sharing you my own manual trading signals, okay? Buy and sell zones for gold, and we are making, great profits. Yesterday alone, we made 10,400 euro, okay? And I show you the signal, okay, when I open a trade, when I close a trade, all for free. So why don't you click on the first link below the video, join my free Telegram, see everything in action. Also I'm just sharing some pictures, about my life and stuff like that. However guys, but now this video is about the fact that new gold setting files are available for our auto trader. Okay, secondly guys, in this video I'll also share you my very important tips and tricks and rules how to get best results from our auto trader when trading gold. Now, it's actually generating profits while I'm making this video. I mean, look at all in front of your eyes, okay? So gold just today experienced, huge crash in a price. And the bot was able to capture that momentum and it placed two gold sell trades, okay? One was placed earlier and then another other one. So now it's already $6,500 in profits. 6.7, okay? Anyway guys, this is all thanks to the new gold setting file. So first of all, if you're a member, you know where to get the gold setting file. Here we go. Guys, first of all, why I'm so really excited is because, this was a game changer, the gold set file. But the thing is this guys, as you know guys, we released this auto trader, a while back, okay? But it was only able to trade futures, such as S&P 500, NASDAQ, US30, oil, okay, Brent crude oil, but now, we developed this gold set file which enables and allows auto trader now trade gold. And gold now, because of the uncertainty in the world, because of the Iran and United States war in between them, it's just the gold is so volatile. And as you know, as a trader, what do you need to make profits in trading? Do you need to worry about if the asset goes up or down? No, you need volatility. That's all there is, okay? We are speculating the markets by using automated trading tools and by using this volatility. So gold setting files are available in a gold set file folder, right? Here we have several, okay? So we have gold set files for 5-minute charts, for low risk, high risk, and for 15-minute charts for low risk and high risk. Now, but I really wanted to make this video because I want to make sure that you get the best outcome, okay? And also, I'm gonna answer some questions, and many people keep asking me every single day. Now, how to get best results with either our Precision Edge Futures auto trader or any other auto trader or expert advisor that you use. So first of all, okay, make sure that you do use VPS, because VPS will be basically your computer on the cloud, and your bot will run on a cloud. In this case, you don't need to rely on your computer, okay, to be on all the time, or if the computer turns off or does updates, you need to switch that function off, because for auto trader to generate profits, to place more, to place new trades, the bot has to run and it has to be online. So your computer needs to be on. But if you use VPS, you don't even need the computer, okay? All of that is explained in the academy, for all the members. Now, the brokers. So guys, you can use any broker of your choice. I still have many people ask me, Andrew, okay, what are the best brokers? I use Radex Markets, okay, as well as IC Markets. Now, you can use any broker of your choice, but make sure that your broker is licensed and regulated, okay? Make sure that it makes sense, okay? There are many scam brokers out there that are pure market makers. You don't want that. Now regarding this, always use Session Manager. So there is a session manager built in. What that means is the really beautiful function, okay, is that, you know, whenever there are big fundamental news, okay, 3-star news that, you know, are shifting the markets, okay, you don't want to trade during those times. So what to do? For that, there is an additional function for the auto trader, which is going to basically switch the auto trader off before, and it's going to switch the bot back on after the fundamental big news releases. You know, that's really great function. Now, use ECN or RAV spread accounts for tight spreads. So make sure that whenever you use a broker, make sure that you use the lowest spreads as possible, you know, from your broker. You know, choose the broker type, a broker account that gives you the smallest spreads as possible. Now, how much do you need to start trading with this? You know, actually, I'm going to show you. You can start as little as $50. Let me just prove that to you. Right here in my Telegram. Again, join my Telegram, guys. So here, the withdrawals and all that, blah 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 blah. But yeah, here we go. And okay, no, not this one. So this one was able to make what is it, $425 from just $100. But there was one guy who made who actually started with $50 just to test it out, and he was able to make he was able to triple it in just I think 2 or 3 days. Let me just yeah, here we go. It was on the 5th. Yeah, here we go. Here it is. Look at this. What's his name? It's John Stewart. So he started with $50 and made $127. Okay. Sorry, in just one day. Now results will, guys, be different for everybody because everybody has different brokers, different spreads, okay, different asset class that we trade. I normally mostly now only trade gold and crude oil, okay, gold, but mostly gold. Of course, these results, guys, are not typical. I'm not sure what leverage this guy is using, as well as what broker, but guys, results speaks for themselves, okay? I'm really happy about my members, and I also share my results, my live trades, my manual trades. So if you are not using any bots or just this is my cat, by the way, Blackie, yeah, join, guys, and check everything out live in action, okay? But now let's continue with the tips, because I need to make sure that I spread this message out. So and I need to make sure that you guys know the rules when it comes to the new set file. So start with the 0.01 lots. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of account per trade. Set daily loss limits and respect them. Well, this will be done by the bot. Do not interfere with open trades emotionally. This is a huge one, okay? So I have, in many cases, I have many people, you know, who reported that they made, they're making like $1,500, you know, within like with the 3 or 4 trades, okay, and they are like, oh wow, that's $1.5 grand the profit a day, wow, and they close the trades. And they manually close. You know, you can monitor and manage your trades by using your mobile phone. Okay, for that you don't need a computer or VPS. You know, and they close the trades manually. Then the next morning they cry. They said, "Oh, why did I close the trades manually? If I didn't close the trades manually, I would have made double the amount that I made yesterday." That's what I told you guys. Let the bot do its job. The bot will place stop loss and take profit automatically. Let it do its job. Now, second one, okay, account setup. Minimum recommended balance is at least $50. We saw that even with $50, person was able to make 3x within a day, which is not typical. I think that person, you know, had too high leverage. So don't use leverage more than 1 to 100, guys. Please, just be conservative, okay? Now. Furthermore, mistakes to avoid. Do not run EA on a personal computer that sleeps or shuts down. So in many cases, you know, computers are doing their updates, you know, and whenever they do updates, they shut the computer down. Is it a desktop or laptop, or it doesn't matter, okay? So make sure that you do switch off the automatic updates if you are using your own computer to run the trading bot. And now, do not use leverage more than 1 to 200, please, guys, please. So, be conservative. Do not change settings consistently. Give time to perform. Yeah, do not change the settings in a bot, okay, if you're a newbie. Only if you're a developer or EA, if you have EA expertise, then you can change the settings. You know when you place the bot, you can change the settings, but don't do that if you don't know what you're doing, please. Do not run multiple conflicting EAs on the same account. Yeah, some people are using like 2 to 3 EAs on one MetaTrader platform, and they wondering some, the interference, errors. Do not do that. Only place one bot on one MetaTrader account and let it run. Do not trade during extremely low liquidity periods. Never manually, don't worry about that if you use Sessions Manager. Never manually close EA trades out of impatience. We just talked about that. Now for gold settings specifically. Gold is highly sensitive for news events. Keep news filter active. That add-on. Okay, we're just gonna switch our bot on and off. Gold moves mostly, the highest volatility is during London and New York sessions. That's why I produce free signals in my Telegram for New York. I love New York session, okay? Now, most profitable gold setups occur during the session overlaps. Gold responds strongly to inflation data, Fed decisions, and geopolitical news. Those are the 3-star news. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to investing.com, click on economic calendar, and you're gonna see the biggest news of the day. Okay, so two-star news is okay, but 3-star news such as these will be the ones that's gonna move the markets. So now in 31 minutes, markets will move for gold and the dollar. So I need to be very, very careful. I need to make sure that my Sessions Manager is on and the bot will be switched off before those news events. Recommended time frame, 5-minute, 15-minute time frame. Again, all of that is here. So these are the setting files, 5-minute and 15-minute setting files. Monitor gold during major news events, but let the EA manage the trades, okay? Yeah, that's it, guys, okay? So check your EA performance weekly, not daily. Give EA minimum to 2 to 3 weeks before judging the performance. Well, in 1 week, okay? If you let the bot run 1 week, then you can judge the performance. Keep a MetaTrader platform updated at all times, please. Review weekly results and adjust risk only if necessary. Join my free Telegram for the daily updates and support. Again, first link below the video. So on my Telegram, I share updates, bot updates, manual trade updates, member testimonials, tips and tricks. Okay, so all the beauty and the magic happens in the Telegram group because I'm sharing everything live. I'm actually monitoring trades right now, so there was a signal right here today, and yeah, so I'm updating regarding that all the time. So now, most importantly, guys, if you have any questions, if you need any help, any assistance regarding trading or anything else, me and my colleagues are always happy to assist you, to help you, to answer all the questions whatsoever. Okay, because at this stage, we really want to help. Newbie traders understand the markets or where they want to go, okay, what they want to trade, how the trading works, how we can assist you, okay, regarding the manual trades, signals, automated trading bots, anything. So you can contact me and my colleagues through my Telegram, okay. There is a Telegram, there's Telegram contact links always right here. And also you can just go to our website, official website, and click on this support link. And it's gonna now I'm taking over completely. Yes, you can contact me directly from the website, directly from the WhatsApp. Okay. And now, lastly, guys, remember, guys, I'm giving away completely free my own fair value gap FVG indicator. Okay. This indicator is gonna show you fair value gaps on your TradingView charts. This indicator I'm giving away completely for free. All you need to do is simply, again, go to my Telegram and send me your TradingView username. That's it. Send me your TradingView username and I'm gonna give you the free value gap automated indicator completely for free, which is gonna also assist you in the trades. Yeah, and thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for having me, and I love you all. Bless you and enjoy. Bye bye.